Hello guys, mayang gabi May anak po na karon maghilot. Si Eric Hilot niya. Halos ako ang mga suki. Mayang gabi ninyo boss, mga ma'am. No, maghilot ako gum. Mayang gabi isa ko ang mga tanang subscribers na nagtanaw karon. Kumusta na mo? No? So wala pa ka subscribe na mo sa ko ang YouTube channel, Eric Hilot. Ayan po sa mga pwede po mo comment sa ako ang YouTube kung namo mga pangutana sa mga kana inyong ginapamati, labi na jud kana inyong ginapamati sa inyong kalawasan nga wala mo kasabot, no? Madiin na mo sige patambal pero wala pa maayo. Comment mo kung basta makatabang ka, ha? Sige, maghilot ko karon ang kong hiloton si Madam. Nagpahilot si Madam kay kapoy ang lawas. Sige.
inspire people to shoot at the others. The back of the plane is actually the safest, so flight attendants sometimes protect people they like by moving them to the back. The crew is never allowed to pronounce passengers dead until they land. Instead, they'll pretend they're still alive and move their body to a first-class seat. And if there's no space, they just buckle them in and throw a blanket over them. Secrets that are never...
When I was out diving the other day, I thought I found a piece of trash, but it was just a leaf. Then I found this piece of fishing line and a seashell. Oh, that's cool. Then I found this thing.
got exposed on live TV. On my first day in 2017, this woman was hired to translate
Nagagan.
words into sign language at a police
Buko
news
ka upload
conference.
video.
Everything was going normal until viewers saw this at home and noticed that she was faking it. She did not know sign language. She was immediately fired. Next, many of you will probably know who this is. It's Bear Grylls, and in this episode, he attempts to cross a hollow, unstable bridge in the middle of nowhere. But it turns out that the bridge is completely safe and was made for tourists. Also, this location is right next to the highway. Now, we've probably all seen this viral video of this man running on water, right? Well, after investigation, it turns out that he was just running on a platform that was submerged underwater. Finally, Adriana Albania was on a Spanish game show where she had to guess the song that was playing, and surprisingly, she got everyone right. However, judges noticed that she kept looking down at her phone, and she got everyone right because she was on the app Shazam. Who got exposed on live TV? Alright, first people.
Apparently, this is how you and your family will LG clutch. Okay, so this is us. Apparently, this is how you and your family will LG clutch. Okay, so this is us, or you, or me. I don't know, but boom, yeah, we did it. Obviously, this is us. And then, oh no, your baby sister. I don't have a baby sister, but I assume this is a baby sister because, anyways, wait, why do you have a llama bug? What is your bro doing? Okay, right. Oh my god. And now her mom. Actually, this is accurate. My mom tries to calculate everything, and if it doesn't go right, then she's a failure. But she's not because she lands it. I love you, mom. Shout out to you. Now this is dad. Mom versus dad. Dad just throws the ball. Yeah, I knew it. He's just like clutch is clutch. I don't care if I did it wrong. This is how you and your family will LG.
actually acting. An elf Buddy the Elf actually has to